Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a gold and silver backlit effect on a painting using decoupage. When light hits the painting, it will glow from within. You can purchase materials for this project in our online store. The frames are sold at Ikea and measure 55-28 centimeters. The back panel of the frame will be used for decoupage. First, varnish the panel on both sides with acrylic spray varnish to prevent warping. Once the panel is dry, paint it with white acrylic paint. Use a wide brush. I recommend painting the panel twice. Now, place the rice paper with the first picture on the first panel. Place a sheet of white rice paper on top of it and draw the outlines of two cranes. Then draw the outlines of the sun and the vertical stripes seen on the right in the picture. Place a second sheet of rice paper on the second panel. Place a sheet of white rice paper on top and draw the outline of a crane, branches with leaves, and the outline of the sun. Draw the outlines carefully so that the image does not shift. Now glue the white sheets of rice paper with the drawn outlines to both bases. Use a special glue for rice paper. Apply glue to the base, place the rice paper, and then apply glue on top of the rice paper. Apply a thin layer of special glue to the surfaces where the gold sheets will be glued. In the first picture, apply glue to the surface of the sun, to the vertical stripes, and to the ornaments at the bottom left of the picture. Let the glue dry for 15-20 minutes. In the second picture, apply glue to the surface of the sun and to the branches with leaves. Let the glue dry for 15-20 minutes. After 15-20 minutes, the glue will become transparent and sticky. Now you can glue the gold sheets. These are special sheets for imitation gold. Place the gilding sheets on the surfaces where you applied the glue. In our case, this is the sun surface and decorative stripes. Smooth the sheets with a soft, wide brush. Remove any excess with the brush. The remaining sheets can be stored in a paper envelope and used for other projects. Now let's glue the gold sheets to the second painting. In this painting, this is the sun surface and branches with leaves. Smooth the sheets with a soft, wide brush and remove any excess. Apply a thin layer of special glue to the remaining surface where there are no gold sheets and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15-20 minutes, the glue will become transparent and tacky. Now you can glue the silver sheets. These are special sheets for imitation silver surfaces. Place the silver sheets over the entire surface of the panel. They will stick only where I applied the glue. Each package contains 25 sheets measuring 14 × 14 centimeters, which is enough for 2 paintings. Once the entire painting is covered with silver sheets, smooth them with a soft, wide brush and remove any excess. Finally, the gold sheets are glued to the sun, branches with leaves and ornaments, while the silver sheets are glued to the remaining surfaces. Protect the silver and gold sheets with any glossy spray varnish. Now glue the first painting to the base using rice paper glue. Be careful to do this carefully so that the images in the picture align with the glued gold sheets. Apply glue to the base and then to the rice paper. Glue the second picture to the base using rice paper glue. Spread the glue from the center of the image outward. After the glue dries, our pictures will become brighter, gold and silver. The sheets will show through the rice paper and glow in the sunlight. To achieve an additional glowing effect and simulate volume, we'll apply glitter acrylic paste to both paintings. Using a spatula, apply the paste in different directions, imitating the unique artistic texture of the canvas, conveying volume, light, and emotion in the image. Once dry, the paste will become transparent. This will take approximately 3 to 4 hours and will create the effect of depth and volume in the image. Now let's prepare the frames and attach our beautiful paintings. These paintings will become a striking accent for a modern interior and create a special atmosphere in your home. Our company offers a wide selection of artistic paintings on rice paper in various sizes. You can purchase them in our online store. We have images for every taste: classic, vintage, romantic, and avant-garde. They can be used in various decoupage projects, as well as in decorating furniture and interior items. Dear friends, thank you for viewing, and see you soon.